Hi, this is the official website of Unique Catering Services. First of all, I would like to show the website, the dynamic and content manageable. You see this main page, so it's all text and images. It's manageable, very nice. When I'm gonna drag, it will become through. So I'm gonna show you the um, further submenus. If you click on background, you will find another page will come instantly with the image, nice image, and categories. If you see the bottom color combination, look nice. If I click on vision and mission, functional, the company vision and mission is here. So everything is changeable, even the images, text, and everything. I'll show you how later video. So when you click on global services, you will find the global operations here. Services, you can go through the submenu, you can go through the bottom services here, and you can also go to the main page, home page. There is a scheme and the center color here. You can also navigate all the services through this nice combination here. If I click on support services or someone, so we can move, but I think it's just disable. We can make it enable link if you want. Okay, here I'm talking about. So you can see all the services we offer. When you click on view more, it will navigate through the page. So here all the website, here contact someone. If someone have a query, he can send this dynamic page, this form, and he can send query directly to you. Once he fill the form, send messages, you will receive on the email. It's called info@ucglobal.com. So this is all about the website. So I'm going to show you the backend now, how you can manage all the text and content from the backend. Okay, here is the link for the backend. I will send you. It's called UCS admin area. This is very secure. No one can access it unless it has a password, credential, even the link. Okay, when I click on login button, you will find very comprehensive options and very precisely mentioned on the backend. Main banners. You can change the main banners of the website, even title, description. You see, here is the main banner, title, descriptions, everything is here. When you click on edit, delete, so you can easily manage. So this is, I think by mistakenly I click on delete button, no problem, we can add it. So here the manage list, the next option is services, manage services. Here are the services. You can click on edit very carefully. You will not click on delete button, otherwise it will delete. When I click on edit button, so here all the service related text, description is here. You can change it and you can change the image anytime. So very easy. So this is all about the managed services. So social media links, you can update social media link. Even you have a LinkedIn, you can click on edit. If you don't have Facebook, you can delete it. You can add your LinkedIn, and if you have Instagram, you can edit it, manage it, social media link through this option. So another one is called manage static pages, all the static pages. That means here these pages, the services, carrier, brochure, and rest of the pages. When you click on, you'll find the background option, vision, mission. If you click on any option, it will come with the image and stuff. So you'll find here. So nice. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna go back again. All right, so the next thing is manage admin setting. You can change admin username and password. The admin has all rights for the complete website. So but be careful. Whatever you change it, you must remember. Okay, once before finishing this, I'm gonna tell you we are gonna move to the next option. It's called manage document and manage employee in my second video.